Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Reddit app on your phone to get help connecting your iPhone to Windows link on your PC. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search bar at the top and type in keywords like Windows link iPhone setup or link to Windows iPhone connection. You will see a post and communities. Tap into one of these communities and scroll through the post. Many users share step-by-step instruction and troubleshooting tips for connecting phones to Windows PC. You can open a post with the comment section carefully that where most people share solutions. Common tips include making sure your PC has your phone link to Windows app installed, ensuring both the phone and PC are connected with the same Wi-Fi network, or checking the notification and permission are enabled on the phone. If you find a helpful post, tap the three dot on the post and select save so you can reference it while setting up your connection. If you don't see exactly what you needed, you can create your own post. Tap the plus button at the top, choose the right community and explain your issue, like your iPhone model, Windows version, and where the connection fails. Other Reddit users will often reply with easy to follow solutions. And that's it. With the Reddit app on your phone, you can quickly find real tips and step-by-step guidance to connect your iPhone to Windows link and start syncing your phone with your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.